What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. We're gonna go over Shiba Inu here today. Shiba Inu is pumping right now, but yeah, we're gonna be going over Shiba Inu today. So definitely hit that like button and subscribe. It really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And if you want to help support the channel, definitely send a donation through the PayPal donation link or the Cash App donation link. And if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description and use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. Now, look at what we got here for Shiba Inu. First things first, in the last 24 hours, the market control has been ruled by the bulls by 80%. Yes, 80%. The market has been controlled by the bulls in the last 24 hours. And that's probably due to this area down here. So yeah, when we hit this green area here, that shows that we actually hit an area where there is a lot of supply and demand, just a lot of demand for Shiba Inu, which shows the chance of reversal right there, which actually just had us going up on a huge uptrend here, leading to the oscillator showing that we were in overbought territory, which is why this bearish move here on the oscillator actually happened, because we were in overbought territory. And anyways, when we actually came back down here to this green area here, which is our other supply and demand area, showing that we also have lots of demand for Shiba Inu around 27 cents, that indicated that. So that's actually why we had this little rise in price action. And now look where we're at right now. We are literally stuck inside of a green area right here, meaning that there's lots of demand for Shiba Inu. If there's lots of demands for Shiba Inu, that means Shiba Inu is probably about to break out very soon. Look, usually whenever you see on this oscillator, whenever you see it say bull here, that means that even though over here you can see the volume is in a negative area right here, meaning that there's less volume right here, there's more selling volume going on, it's still bullish. That's pretty big right there. Like, if you see that the volume is starting to lessen a little bit, that means that it's, definitely bullish if it says that it's bullish here. So this is actually pretty good for Shiba Inu. This is pretty good news. This is showing us that we're going on the right path with Shiba Inu. I'm definitely pretty excited for this. Now, I don't want to go over the technicals too much because we have a lot of stuff that we're going to go over. But so first things first, let's go over this right now. Let's just finish up the little technicals, and then we got the big news that we have, all the big news and the big rumors later on in the video. So stay to the end of the video if you really want to see the big news and stuff. But first, we're going to go over these technicals because you need to know this. But yeah, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this financial advice. Anyways, Shiba Inu price continues to consolidate after making massive gains. This is consolidation right here. You can actually see Shiba Inu is trading sideways right here. So we're going to keep going over this. A false breakout above an ascending triangle could trigger a deeper corrective moves. So strong support exists if a deeper pullback does occur. So Shiba Inu price, pretty much they're saying, like, over here, if a pullback occurs, we have strong support that's already set up for it. So what they mean by strong support, there was really strong support back here with Shib. So if we do drop, you can see this green area right here, this supply and demand area is showing we have some strong support around 24 cents, 23 cents. So if we do drop from here, 24 or 23 cents will be our target area with strong support if we have another huge dip like how we did back here when we broke out of the consolidation. Now, after this consolidation, this is pretty much, it's like the end all be all pretty much. So looking at it from the line view, so you can kind of see what's forming up right now, you can definitely see there is a ascending triangle actually forming up here right now with Shib. So this is a good bullish pattern right here. So it definitely could go up on a huge uptrend here. But anyways, let's keep going over this. Shiba Inu price has surprised lots of people. As you can see, Shiba Inu price faces more profit taking and short selling if it fails to hold above the Tenkan Sen. So pretty much they're saying Shiba Inu price is up against a reasonably strong resistance area at 28 cents. Over here, you can see that 28 cents area has been broken briefly. Over here at 29.02, you can see the price. So the daily Tenkan Sen and the close of the end of the first rally at the beginning of October 1st. So this level represents the first roadblock to a new higher of highs. But, it is a new roadblock, but a close below that level on the daily chart could trigger some further downside pressure. So they're saying pretty much if we close this day below 28 cents, or yeah, below 28 cents, pretty much 28 cents and below, then we're probably going to go on a bearish pattern. But right now we're at 29.07, showing that we're on this bullish pattern here. So big stuff going on right there with Shiba Inu. Now, the only support level below the Tenkan Sen is the 22 cent area and also the 24 cent area. And that's pretty much what I have shown down here. 22 cents, 24 cents, where our supply and demand areas are. So close above yesterday's high and today's high at 29 will likely invalidate any short-term bearish price action. So yeah, If we end this day above 29 cents, they're saying any short-term bearish price action is completely invalidated. And right now we're at 29.09. So that is definitely invalidating that bearish movement right there. So big stuff is going on here with Shiba Inu. Now let's go on to our next thing with Shiba Inu. So we have 6.7% up inside the last 24 hours, only down 5.4% in the last 7 days. And yeah, we pretty much got all our gains back that we lost. So big stuff going on there. Now we have 741,457 people in Shiba Inu. Hit that refresh button, 741,527. So people are investing into Shiba Inu at some very fast speeds. But anyways, we got more stuff going on with Shiba Inu. So Leash is going to be added. So look at this. We heard your votes loud and clear. And so please welcome Leash to Stealth X with a total supply of 107,646 tokens. So now they have Leash on the Stealth X platform. So this is actually pretty big because Leash helps Shib move up. Shib helps Leash move up. So that's pretty big out there. So shout out to them for listing Leash. Now over here, we got an article coming straight from Coin Market Cap. This is actually pretty big. They say, will one of the most popular cryptocurrencies be able to make its way to Robinhood? Read more. So this rumor has been going around everywhere about Robinhood listing Shib. Anyways, they said to cut the BS, no one knows yet. The truth, however, is that Robinhood has not revealed any details around when it plans to launch other cryptocurrencies on the platform. So yeah, they haven't released it, but there's rumors saying that they're about to do it very soon. And we know we have this change.org petition here. As you can see right here, we are almost at like 300,000 people who signed the petition. So that's pretty big right there. Anyways, that's huge. The moment the number hits 300,000, this position will be one of the top positions on the website. So that's pretty big right there. Now, do we need Shib on Robinhood? The whole argument for listing the token on a traditional brokerage is to add another push to the already rallying cryptocurrency. While it is certainly climbing a whopping 2,000% in the past weeks, there is an increased demand for it to be added on major exchanges. So you can definitely see it being added on Robinhood soon, and this would definitely help us out. Now, over here, the centralization problem with Robinhood. Now, when it comes to Robinhood, the exchange has been facilitating only 7 crypto tokens since 2018. However, it was only in February this year that the exchange really took off. There was an instant addition of over 6 million users. So that would actually help Shiba Inu out a lot. Anyways, they're pretty much saying down here, there's a problem with Robinhood that will not be received well by the decentralized enthusiasts. They have come under, regulatory scrutiny. And pretty much they're saying we don't want it being centralized. But it's only going to be on one very centralized exchange. Like, even when you think about it, Coinbase is not DeFi. Coinbase is centralized. Binance is not DeFi. Binance is centralized. Like, all these different exchanges, they're all centralized. They're not DeFi. Like, Shiba Swap is DeFi, right? But all these other exchanges, Webull, we got eToro with us. Like, that's all centralized exchanges, so it doesn't really matter. But shout out to CoinMarketCap for listing this. Anyways, this came directly from Robinhood. Robinhood said, we have not made any announcements with regards to Shib or any other upcoming coins. But Shiba Inu is probably going to be on their upcoming list. Everybody wants it on their list. This would literally benefit Robinhood so much. Everybody's talking about it. Look at this. Literally everybody wants Shiba Inu on Robinhood. So this could actually happen very soon. People are even making little pictures of Shiba Inu and Robinhood. So this could be coming soon, very soon anyways. But we have other stuff looking up, really good for us. So first of all, look at this. People are really still talking about it. The rumor is spreading all over the internet right here. Robinhood set the list Shiba Inu. Someone actually said something, pretty intelligent here, but it will be listed at the same time as their wallet release. That's what I've been saying. I've been saying, look, on the wallet release, that's probably when they're going to release it. They're going to do everything all at once. They're going to make it so big that no one can ignore Robinhood for the time being, giving them huge money. That's going to be a huge marketing play for them. So definitely watch out for that. Now, anyways, someone said interesting that they commented on it at all. That's actually pretty interesting that they commented on it and specifically said Shib, because other coins are trying to get on Robinhood too. But the biggest one right now that's trying to get on Robinhood is Shib. So Shib might actually get listed very soon. Now, Shib flashes green on Monday, adding almost 40,000 new holders. I showed that inside the holders previously. So big stuff going on there. We have 742,000, something like that on Shib now. Now, this is actually just a pretty funny meme I wanted to show. So this person here inside the Shib army, Anna Dawn, said, onwards to glory, whether you're holding 1 million sheep or 1 billion sheep together, we are the biggest whales out there. So yeah, this is just a pretty fun meet. The fear and uncertainty and doubt of the people of the internet, and then the sheep whales coming for the crown. So whether you have 1 million sheep, whether you have 100 million sheep, whether you have 100 billion sheep, 1 billion sheep, you're helping the sheep army rise. And not only are you helping the sheep army rise, you're going to have a good amount of money in the near future. Now, I don't know exactly when that's going to happen, and I'm not a financial advisor, and that's financial advice. I'm not telling you to dump your money in sheep, but there's definitely some huge potential here. Now, over here, you can see Shiba Inu eyes much wow. 90% breakout as sheep price paints a textbook bull pattern. So, the price of the Doge-inspired meme currency Shib has been consolidating inside a structure that appears like a bull pennant. So that's pretty big right there. The Shiba Inu market is in a very strong bull market in 2021, and one major continuation pattern on its longer time frame charts highlights the scope of an additional 90% upside move ahead. That would bring us to 0.00060. Big stuff right there. So yeah, in detail, she rose 1,200% year to date, and we're already up like 50 million something percent over time. But anyways, bulls started accumulating sheep near the lows of the 3,200, and now, I mean, this is just huge stuff that's going right here with sheep. This is pretty much what they're saying right here. I'm gonna go ahead and zoom in so you guys can see this. This is the bull pennant that they're saying. They're saying out of this bull pennant, we're pretty much gonna rise here like a flagpole, the breakout flagpole that they call it. So Shiba Inu rising by 90%, let's just say 100%, this could definitely be inside the near future. So they're pretty much saying 5,200, roughly 90% higher, 0.0000520. That's a lot right there. Now over here, macro fundamentals, the sheep price almost doubled in October, in part due to Elon Musk, they're saying, but specifically Musk posted this picture. I'm just gonna say it now. It did not go all the way up back then because of this picture. This helped Floki Inu rise, and Shiba Inu did go up some because of the picture, but it wasn't the end all be all for it. It wasn't the number one thing that makes sheep jump right there. But anyways, the sheep army is growing stronger and stronger and stronger. Just had to bring you this video. And one more thing I want to go over here. Shiba Inu holders level with Dogecoin as the Robinhood petition passes 259,000. So yeah, there's a lot of people who want this on Robinhood right now. We're probably going to get on Robinhood very soon. So you definitely want to watch out for that. But yeah, remember though, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this financial advice. I'm not telling you to dump all your money in Shiba Inu, but I'm telling you that it has huge potential. So anyways, hit the like button, subscribe, because it really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm, and leave a comment in the comment section if you want me to go over anything else. And also, definitely, if you guys want to support the channel, send a donation through the PayPal donation link inside of the description, or the Cash App donation link in the description. It'll be greatly appreciated. And also, if you want these automated trading indicators, check out the Vital Algo link in the description, and I'll be back with another video. Peace.